Find the x and y-intercepts and graph the line. We have 7 minus 6y is equal to negative 38 minus 5x. So let's get the x-intercept first. To get the x-intercept, y needs equal to 0. So put 0 in for y, and we have 7 minus 6 times 0 is equal to negative 38 minus 5x. So that is 7 minus negative 38 minus 5x. Solve for x. So add the 38 over. And we have 45 is equal to negative 5x. Divide the negative 5 over. So x is negative 9. So the x-intercept, we have negative 9, 0. Let's plot that point. So we have negative 9 on the x-axis, 0 for y, so we don't move it anywhere. So our point negative 9, 0, this here. Let's get the y-intercept. To get the y-intercept, x needs equal to 0. So we have 7 minus 6y is equal to negative 38 minus 5 times 0. So that is 7 minus 6y is equal to negative 38. Get y best self, so minus 7 over. And we have negative 6y is equal to negative 45. Get rid of negative 6. Divide the negative 6 over. So y is 45 over 6. Simplify the fraction. Divide both by 3. And we have y is 15 over 2. So this y-intercept is a point 0, 15 over 2, or 0, 7.5. So the x value is 0, so we don't move on the x-axis. The y value is 7.5, so move up 7.5. So our point is right here. Connect the dots to make a line. So that's our line. The next problem, we have 12x plus 2 is equal to negative 12y plus 2. So again, let's get the x-intercept. So y needs equal to 0. So we have 12x plus 2 is equal to negative 12 times 0 plus 2. So that is 12x plus 2 is equal to 2. Minus 2 over. And we have 12x is equal to 0. Divide out the 12. So x is 0. So the x-intercept is the point 0, 0. Let's get the y-intercept. So the x is 0. So we have 12 times 0 plus 2 is equal to negative 12y plus 2. So that is 2 is equal to negative 12y plus 2 minus a 2 over. And we have 0 is equal to negative 12y. Divide out the negative 12. The y is 0. So here the y-intercept is also the point 0, 0. So let's graph the point. We only have the point 0, 0, so that is right at the origin. Here, the x-intercept and the y-intercept are the same, the point 0, 0. So we have to pick another point. So let's pick x is equal to 1. Our equation is 12x plus 2 is equal to negative 12y plus 2. So let's plug 1 in for x. And we have 12 times 1 plus 2 is equal to negative 12y plus 2. So this is 12 plus 2 is equal to negative 12y plus 2. So that is 14 is equal to negative 12y plus 2. Solve for y, so minus a 2 over. And we have 12 is equal to negative 12y. Divide out the negative 12. So we have y is equal to negative 1. So here, the x value is 1, the y value is negative 1. So let's graph the point 1, negative 1. So 1, negative 1, we need to go over to the right one and down 1. So this is our point here. Connect the dot to make the line. The next question, we have 2y minus 1 is equal to x. So let's get the x-intercept. So y needs to equal to 0. So we have 2 times 0 minus 1 is equal to x. So x is negative 1. So we have the point negative 1, 0. So graph negative 1, 0, we go to the left one. And the y, we don't go anywhere. So the point is right there, negative 1, 0. Let's get the y-intercept. So x needs to equal to 0. So we have 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 over. So 2y is equal to 1. Divide out the 2. And we have y is 1/2. So this is the point 0, 1/2, or the point 0, 0.5. So let's graph 0, 0.5. So we don't move anywhere for the x value. The y will move up a 0.5. Connect the dots to make a line.